You happy with that?
Yeah.
Yeah, what a lovely way to spend the morning, eh?
It's very nice.
Day 10 of the road to Norway, eh?
It is.
Our final day.
What?
Amazing.
So we've just had a really nice morning. Slow, collected, did some painting, had some breakfast, and now we are heading up to Stavanger via a few pit stops.
We're off to do a pet sit for a couple of weeks, looking after a lovely husky called Maddox.
Yes.
Which we're very excited, so off we go.
Off we go. As we drove along the winding roads that connect to the countless fjords, it really struck me how much freedom this van has given us on this trip. The ability to explore as we want, to rest, to keep moving, to take in every inch of beauty surrounding us. It's something that I've never really had the option to do while travelling before, and for that I'm grateful.
Concentrate on looking cool for the camera.
So we've just stopped off. I'm not actually sure where we are, but Chris found this really cool place.
Hello.
Apparently it's a little old settlement where there's some houses in a cave. So let's go check it out. Any trolls? Ooh.
These are the two houses. There's a red one and a blue one. And you can go in the blue one, which is from the 18th century, I think. Maybe the 19th. One's from the 18th, one's from the 19th. And it's pretty cool because it's under this massive rock. We've even got a little system for collecting their water off the rocks over there. And it's just pretty amazing to think that people used to live in these houses underneath these giant rocks. It must have been really harsh in the winter, so to have shelter under these rocks must have been pretty ingenious. Paloma, you're not allowed to hang your dirty washing up. Paloma's just realised there's some climbing to be done right next to the house. Eager to get on, let's say.
I really want to do some climbing. There's amazing rock around here, and it's been a while since we've done any outdoor climbing, so I really want to do it.
We'll get some done soon. Off to Stavenger, eh?
Let's go meet our papa.
Heavy on the brakes on these mountain passes, eh?
They were going real fast.
We wanted to get the whole picture.
Whoops a daisy.
See the area.
The beds everywhere.
Really get a feel for it.
All part of the fun.
I talked to Dan Stidham and Nate Hollingsworth and Buddy. And I just opened the door and they're downstairs. I swear, one of the things in west of Memphis is holly comes.
We've just arrived in Stavanger. For those of you that don't know, basically we do a thing called pet sitting through a website called Trusted House Sitters, where basically we look after people's pets when they go on holiday. I've been doing it for the last 4 or 5 years. I've done it on every continent now. Paloma's been doing it with me for the last couple.
Yeah.
And here we are. So
we're looking after a husky called Maddox, and we're just going to grab our stuff and head on in.
here we go. Hello, buddy. Hi. Oh, you watch that? Hello, what is this? Hi, boy.
Hi.
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 Hello.
She's like, who are you guys?
Hey, don't you eat my microphone. Don't you eat my microphone.
I guess you're toy, right? Yeah. Hi. Everybody meet Maddox.
Hey, Maddox.
Oh, he likes his belly rubs, hey.
Beautiful eyes. Don't even start. You coming up, Maddox? Come on then. Good boy.
Good boy.
Yeah. And that's a wrap for the road to Norway. What a 10 days it's been, eh?
It's been pretty good. We've learnt a lot, we've seen a lot, and it's been really, really good to have you guys on for the ride.
So what's been your favourite memory?
I think for me the kayaking was really, really
In
cool.
Denmark?
In Denmark.
Oh, with the dragonflies.
It was beautiful. I really, really enjoyed that.
Yeah.
And just the unexpectedness of being invited to Dawn's house and like getting to see Denmark from a different perspective, which is really nice.
that wasn't planned at all before the trip. But as we were driving up, Dawn messaged you saying, "Oh, come round," and we were like, yeah, "I suppose it's on the route, so yeah, we can do it. If we drive up quickly, we can do it."
I was like, "Okay, we're going to be there tomorrow," and she was really, really nice to let us stay. So thank you, Dawn.
I think my favourite memory was the log flume hike. I think that's a very unique experience to have had.
It was pretty cool.
It was really nice to see Tom and Utrecht, of course.
Yes.
What was your favourite bit, Maddox? It was like looking at you right now. Yeah. So we're here for a week and a half with Maddox.
We just wanted to say thank you so much to everybody that's joined us on this ride. We really hope that you've enjoyed the videos that we've been producing and have kind of enjoyed how the style has changed over the last 10 days. We're quite proud of how it's come about.
We set off saying, "Oh, we might try a daily vlog," and we've been like, we're a bit mad. We're about half a year behind on our other videos, which we will catch up with. But we saw a video from Lost in Transit, and they were doing daily vlogs, and we was like, okay, let's challenge ourselves. And if you look at our day one video to this video, I think there's a big difference, right? In the quality.
It's actually all Chris's work. I've been busy working, so he is the man of the hour for these ones.
I have been editing pretty much everything,
well.
but you've made some nice thumbnails along the way.
Let's wrap it up and say thank you so much for you guys for joining us, and please remember, if you do enjoy our videos, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell to get notified for any more videos.
Yeah, any likes and subscribe will help our channel get shown to more people and will help the channel grow. Exactly.
And we have some really exciting things in the pipeline.
Oh my god, like...
So please keep around, and it's sure going to be quite the adventure.
We've got something crazy planned in, it's only about a week's time, and I think it's probably the maddest thing we've ever even thought about, right?
Oh, I'm a little bit nervous, but it's going to be good.
I'm more than nervous.
We might survive to tell the tale, and if so, it will be on this channel, so please make sure that you've got those notifications on. Thank you so much, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Go well. I think that should be our thing, go well.
Okay.